Hey friends, Matthew Barbie here with Perfect Company. Want to take a moment and show you some of the great functionality of your wonderful 2.0 scale. So let's go over some buttons. We got an on button. You're going to want to use that one first. So that turns the scale on. You'll see we have our flashing LED. That means the scale is discoverable. Bluetooth is working. So we come up here, hit our scale icon. There's our scale. Click on that, attempting to connect. We're good here. Solid LED. We know we got a connection. Going to go back up here to the recipe. You're going to want to calibrate your scale. This is very important. Want to know what 0 is. And now we're in the recipe. So of course, your scale functions as a scale, but there's a few other things you can do with your 2.0 scale. So you can navigate through the recipe with the up button. Up arrow gets you up through the recipe. Down arrow brings you back down. Let's say you came to a timer. You could start the timer here, but you can also start the timer right here on the scale. And you can pause the timer, start it again, etc. So if you ever wanted to disconnect your scale from the app, you can hold down your Bluetooth button. And that disconnects the scale. Light is flashing again, knows it's discoverable. And if at any point your app cannot find your scale, just hold down that button, get that LED to flash, and then the app will find it and it'll be right there available for you. Now, last but not least, the old off button. So when you're done, hold that down for 4 seconds. LED goes off and your scale is off. Hope you found this helpful. If you have any questions or comments, let us know at makeitperfectly.com. And as always, have a perfect day.